if you sell AMC now because the price is going down, at least maybe not tomorrow, because tomorrow it seems like, based on the after hour session now, we're seeing some sort of, covering process, because at the time I'm recording this video, let's just see what AMC is doing. Let me share my screen with you before we can actually start talking about the video. Yeah, refreshing, and it seems like it's, going back up a little bit, 12-13% after hours, and GameStop also gearing back up to the 32% already. Big jump. All right, folks, so what I'm going to share with you in this video is about reminding you what will happen if you sell AMC stock. All right, and it's not any financial advice of any form. It's just me sharing my personal experience with what happened in similar situations with other stocks in the past and what I felt after it. All right, so first off, before you sell any asset, before you sell any stock that you hold on a portfolio, think about the number one reason you bought it to begin with. All right, and I always use this example or illustration from Warren Buffett. All right, you have your home, you have your house or your car or whatever. All right, let's say your house is worth $250,000. That's not what you say it is worth. That's what the market says it is worth, based on how to evaluate and price a house. All right, so based on that, the market, you go on Zillow, you go on FinRate or whatever, it tells you, okay, based on your address and your zip code, this is the worth of your house, this is the value of your house. All right, let's just say based on that, your house is worth $250,000. If I come to you and I tell you, hey man, I really love your house, but I want to buy it at $100,000. Will you sell it to me? No, because if you do, you're stupid. All right? It doesn't make any damn sense. C'est illogique en fait. It's logical. It doesn't make any damn sense. Why? Because why will you sell something that you know is worth $250,000 at $150,000? See what I mean? So it's the exact same thing with stocks. Before you sell a stock, you need to know the value of the stock, because the value of a company or the value of a play, of a trend, doesn't have barely anything to do with the price. With AMC, we all know that it has the potential to go to unimaginable highs. All right, so it has nothing to do with the share price we're seeing now around the $22 a share, because that's not reflecting the reality of what is happening within this play. All right, so based on that, you already know, generally speaking, in the stock market, what to do before you actually sell a stock. Now, when it comes to AMC specifically, if you sell that today or tomorrow or any other day, before the short squeeze actually starts happening, here's what will happen. First off, it's gonna rip like it happened to me before. I don't know, but anytime I sell a stock, it literally rips like days after or week after, not even month, like week after, And the exact same thing happened to me with AMC in November of 2019. So November 2020, I already had AMC that I bought around maybe $4 a share. And I was waiting for it to hit the all-time highs, to kind of recover at 7.5 and 8 to sell. It went to 6.5 at some point, and I was making decent money with around 4,000 shares. But when this whole thing started with, bankruptcy rumors and, Delta variant and COVID and everything, it went back down to almost $1.98 a share. And at that point, I was like, you know what? Let me just get rid of this and get out so that I don't lose my money. But again, I came back to it in December and said, this is AMC. AMC is not going anywhere. It's the leader of the movie theater operator in the world. So even if it takes months, I'm willing to take this as a long-term investment. So that was way before this whole Reddit thing, Wall Street bets, and, Citadel Wall Street things started. So I bought again, and that's how I got into the play again. But literally when I sold, couple of days after, boom, it went to 3 and then 4, and it kept going. That was the beginning of the whole thing, since it went to 8 and then 12 and then 15, 17, 20, And here we are so far. So if you sell, there are high chances that it's gonna rip, like reaching some new highs, and you're gonna feel terrible. You're gonna feel terrible because either you sell and you're like, I'm totally done. I will never ever look at this price. I will never look at this stock again, which is gonna be very hard because you're already on YouTube, because you watch me, you're already on social media, and mainstream is gonna talk about it like crazy again. All right, I definitely guarantee that. Now, the other thing is that terrible feeling that's going to be, feeling, I guess I'm going to, upon myself, is not good for you. It's not good for your mental health. It's not good for your financial health, because your wife, your friends, and even yourself is going to feel like the dumbest, stupidest ever mistake you ever made. Yeah, because this thing is literally like a ticking bomb. It's not because it went all the way down to $22 a share that it doesn't mean that tomorrow it can literally go to $250 a share. It can. It's this is just how this play is wired. At any time, anything can just pop this thing and it can blow away, like literally blow away, and we can all wake up tomorrow and see this thing trading at $500 a share. It happened in the past with other plays. It happened with other plays this year, last year, and the years before. I'm not here inventing anything. I'm just talking about facts. So I'm not trying to scare you or to give you advice. I'm just trying to share with you that, hey, I've been here before. This is what I felt. It didn't feel good. It felt actually bad, looking at some different perspectives in the life. So before you do the exact same, what I would call a mistake for now, at least, please be really, really smart.